This is FREECOM 1. It packs the highest technology a solo rider can ask for. Let's install it on your preferred helmet. This tutorial will cover both closed-faced, open-faced, and half helmets. We'll kick off with an open-faced helmet. For more information, you can always refer to your installation guide that came in the FREECOM box. Our first step would be to remove the inner cheek pads to reveal the ear cavities inside. Once you located the inner ear cavities, take the alcohol pad and clean each ear cavity. Grab a square Velcro and attach it to the base of the ear cavity. Repeat the process for the other cavity. Now we've finished preparing the ear cavities, let's go ahead and install the speakers. Note that your speakers have a short left side and a long right side. We will take care of the left side first. Attach the speaker to the Velcro with the cord facing the neck pad. To ensure optimal radio reception, please follow the next step. Remove the head padding and run the long speaker cord through the top of your inner helmet all the way to the other side. Attach the right speaker in its place and return the padding. The long cord will now act also as your FM antenna. If your ear cavities are just too deep, use one of these spacers to make sure the speakers are correctly placed. Simply attach the spacer to the Velcro and place the speaker on top of it. Now let's install the microphone. Open the second alcohol pad and thoroughly clean the left side helmet cheek. Grab a rectangular Velcro and glue it to the base of the cheek. Grab the second rectangular Velcro and place it about 5 centimeters or 2 inches away towards the cheek opening. Use the supplied hybrid boom mic. Note the base, the middle clap-on, and the yellow triangle near the boom. Watch this yellow triangle. It should face your mouth. Attach the base of the mic to the first Velcro and adjust the clap to fit the second Velcro. Finally, adjust the boom to meet your mouth with the yellow triangle facing you. For installation on full-faced helmets, you can either choose to use the hybrid boom microphone that came inside the box or buy a separately sold microphone set that includes also a corded microphone that was specially designed for full-faced helmets. Now is the time to attach the audio cradle. This is the FREECOM standard audio kit. Behind it, you'll find a flexible clip that should go between the helmet shell and the inner lining. Squeeze the audio cradle firmly into its place with the clip pushing on the helmet's inner shell. Some helmets have a thick rim, which is unsuitable for a clamp-based solution. Fortunately, the audio cradle can also be installed using a specially designed glue plate that came inside the box. Clean the designated area with an alcohol pad. Remove the sealing cover from the glue plate and attach it firmly into the lower left side of the helmet. Allow 24 hours for the glue to solidify. Now that was fast. Your FREECOM audio kit has 2 release tabs. Press them to remove the clamp and replace it with a glue plate. Be sure to hear those clicks. Now let's connect all the wires. Okay, now that we got that covered, let's reinstall all the paddings to their original location. Congratulations! We've finished installing the audio kit on your helmet. Now for the very final step, putting the FREECOM into the cradle. Alright, that was just a bit too fast, wasn't it? Let's repeat the process slower. Your FREECOM cradle has 2 sides, a connector side and a release tab. Insert the connector side first and then press firmly on this side until you hear a click. That click you heard is important. If you don't hear the click, your FREECOM is not well connected and could fly off. To release your FREECOM, pull on the release tab and your FREECOM is off. Installing FREECOM on your half helmet is easy. Just make sure to have one of these half helmet kits first, before continuing. The integrated boom microphone kit is available at any dealership. Depending on your half helmet, use either the clip-based or the glue-based solution. Attach the cradle and adjust the long boom to its correct position. Don't forget to place the yellow triangle directly opposite your mouth. Now, slide the speakers into their correct location. Don't forget to run the long cord through the top inner side of the helmet. Push the right speaker into its designated place. And there you go. Alright, we're pretty much done. Just please keep in mind that every helmet is different and may require some adjustments to the process you just saw. When in doubt, contact your local dealer for additional help.